sound quality on this recording is okay, but I wanted to update where I am and what I've been doing. I know I said many videos were going to come out, but they didn't, like the Gen 2 video and the Arco Linux video. They didn't come out, but I've been working on a new project that's pretty big. Okay. I formed this directly off of Fedora Titus right here, you can see. So this is a direct fork of Fedora Titus, right? But we got WaryOS here, Fedora based, right? The shell is VSH. We got Kden Window Manager, which is a fork of Fedora Titus, like I said. And we are on CSH, 1,256 packages, and that's with everything that I need to really install. We got working audio with a window manager here. Working audio was kind of hard to get. It spent me a whole day. It took a whole day for me to do. I'm not sure how or if I'm going to make this an ISO. I might. I probably should, right? It comes pre-installed with all your gaming software. Heroic, Mitris, we got Steam, DOSBox, we got Wine GE, Wine Lucius GE, 12 kernel patches like Nobara. This isn't based off Nobara directly, it is just plain Fedora based. Built this up from hand. We're using some configs from Fedora Titus, so if I we got BSPWM, GIMP, Theory, Genie, Control. We got a bunch of things here, but there's a few things customized. You see, we got bigger window gaps, different keybinds from Fedora Titus. I changed them. Don't like using Control X to open the terminal. It's kind of stupid. So I just did the normal Windows key and enter, and it just works. W to close a window, and for a warning, Q. And this comes pre-installed with everything. Like I said, it's even got a secondary desktop environment for when you really need to fall back on something like that. It's got XFCE installed in the background for if you need help. But it's pretty suckless for having two desktop environment type things and a Fedora install, which Fedora does a lot of security things that are needed to help you out. And we got a very suckless poll kit too, which isn't based off of XFCE, it isn't based off of any KDE. We got DNF Dragora. You can delete it if you want to. I am probably going to replace this with Fedi. Of course, I integrated Yum better. So, I know this sounds stupid, but by default, the Vim, so it's actually DNF and DNF.conf aren't linked together. So I'm just going to add some notes here. Okay, and this is 20, fastest mirror is 20 here, like I have on here, so I'm just going to add it for speed here. This isn't completed, and then also going to come out and do max era downloads equals, and we'll do 10 here. And then, like I said, this can be used any way you want to. It's your OS. It's not mine. Feel free to do whatever you want with it. And then we're gonna do several different comments here. So default yes. We're gonna make a comment for this being false. Yeah, even though by default it is false. So I'm gonna set a keep cache to false too if you want to. All of these things are commented out, so by default they're not gonna be here. And then this is basically the DNF config. I'm gonna go down here, make a comment linked with yum for speed into that type. I used Fedora back in like Fedora 27, like 3 years ago, maybe something like that. Yum was still integrated. DNF wasn't fully integrated. I'm not sure which version of Fedora that was, but I used it. And it was super slow, super buggy. You couldn't get NVIDIA drivers to save your life. You can see right here, oh gosh, dude, none of this got copied. We're gonna have to quit out here and sudo. Wow. Of course, we got ZSH installed here. Obviously, it's the best here. And then we're gonna replace everything else. Now, it's linked with Yum. Okay, like I said, we can Yum update and it'll have the same speed. Okay. See, we can Yum update and it'll have the exact same speed as if you were using DNF, which by default it isn't like that. So I can go sudo yum clean packages. I type in sudo wrong, and then this is an invalid boolean error right here. So what we gotta do is it's giving us or throwing us in error here. Okay. What we need to do is just let this down a line. Let this down a line. And let this down a line. And we shouldn't get no errors. Okay. Now we can yum clean packages and see we got no more boolean errors. I just set it up like that in a line. Okay, and also got, just for proof that the gaming on here works, a super hard game to get running on Linux is Fall Guys. I use the Lutris method. You can use the legendary method, heroic method, whatever you want to do. But right here, I got Fall Guys. Got the Epic Games Store and everything. I'm gonna plug in a controller. I can probably play a game of Fall Guys on this recording. I think it'd be kind of cool. But I'm just gonna click play, and it's gonna open the Epic Games Store, and it should just launch successfully. No errors. I configured it that way. Yep. You like this, no anti-cheat errors. If you launch the Epic Games Store first and then you launch Fall Guys, then you're gonna get an invalid machine configuration error. So don't do that. Got drivers. I got DXVK. Only God knows how. I'm not really not sure, but hey. Like I was saying, that's pretty much it. I was just gonna go over how it is, WarioOS. It's got everything here. It's got the uptime. It's got host name. It's got the kernel. Even though I need to build my own kernel, I can do that. See if the kernel directory is the same. This is where I built my kernels on Gentoo. I didn't do user SRC Linux. I used user SRC kernels. Yeah, right there. That is our kernel right there, and we can build one here. So, see if I can ls and then this now. Yeah, so this is a kernel. You can cd into it. We can make new config. Oh, well, never mind, we got a pseudo make fish. Genty, you didn't have to. Gotta install any curses. Pseudo install in curses. Devil. I typed it wrong. Doesn't give you it doesn't do like, oh, you typed the wrong package. Do you want to install this one instead? I wish it did something like that. Then now this is the kernel setup, or kernel configuration. I can mess around with this later, but yeah, that's just what I wanted to run through. I'm probably gonna make my own kernel. I'm gonna call it like Kden binary. I'm gonna provide a binary version too if I ever let this out. But that's gonna be it from me. I just wanted to like show you guys what's been taking me so long. And I also got Glava working, pre-installed here. If I go into a separate tab, go into Spotify. Rock. Just turn on Mountain.
Just surviving, keep climbing the mountain. Even when I feel like dying, keep climbing the mountain. Another night I'm barely holding.
Copyrighted, probably going to go ahead and get copyrighted anyway. But that's pre-installed. If I ever make an ISO of this, you can do that. But I will see you guys later. Goodbye.